Ah, hello everybody. Ah, nandito tayo ngayon to show you my new soundbar, Sony htct260 model with subwoofer. Ang naririnig nyo ngayon ay ang speaker ng aking Sony TV. Sony TV. With a movie of Fast and Furious. Ngayon, ililipat natin siya sa audio speaker, audio system, and boom! Nandiyan na tayo sa HDMI. Volume na natin siya ngayon. Ngayon, ang sound system ko na yan, ang soundbar ko na yan, ay pwede nating i-adjust ang kanyang loudness by putting in up menu. System audio sync effect, naka-on siya. Makita nyo ngayon yung pagkakaiba ng sound ng effect ng on and off. Okay, bukod pa dyan, naka-night on pa yan. Ngayon naka-night off na siya. Kaya you will hear the difference between Sony soundbar and the other soundbar in the market. Nagiging ang soundbar ng Sony ngayon na yan ay nagiging famous dahil sa kanyang clear sounds. Hindi siya nakaka-irritate sa tenga. At wireless ang kanyang subwoofer. Andito ang aking subwoofer. Nakita nyo? Yan. Subwoofer ko yan. I put on a plastic for the dust. Wireless. Kaya makikita nyo ang pagkakaiba. Ito ang kanyang remote control with plastic. With a cost of €200 discounted. Meron siyang mga options, TV HDMI, optical, and analog. But now I'm using HDMI with a little bit difference in the optical. Hide my Sony family. PS3, DVD 5.1 with a subwoofer, and also my component. After several days, I want to buy PS4. white version. Lalakasan pa natin ng konti ang volume. 2.1 channel. Perfect soundbar for my room, for banging the walls. You will hear it pag sarado lahat ang pinto at may salamin. Maririnig nyo ang lakas. Half volume 25. Half volume 25. There is another option for this remote control. We have game, stereo, P audio, movie, standard, and music. You will choose it, and then you will control your Sony TV with this remote control. Volume.
They're real interested in you.
The
Beats on, and we'll send up a flare that's
input.
coming to us. They said we move out first thing in the morning.
TV power.
That's me that one.
And then
If they catch me,
the Bluetooth.
throwing big numbers at anybody with me.
It is compatible of almost
I'm ready to good run.
Bluetooth devices. Also
Time for
iPad.
you to go do your own thing.
Display. If you don't like to see your display in the music soundbar like this, you can dim it like that. Just press the display.
There she is.
Your reel's nice
Okay.
down here.
That is my
Cops are getting on.
Sony
Then I guess we're
soundbar with
going
wireless subwoofer.
I'm a walking target. I don't want you around when they catch
Thank you
us.
guys for watching my other movies.
Right?
Thumbs up.
Dom, how long have we been doing this?
Good day and
Now all of a sudden out of nowhere, it's
have
dangerous.
fun watching.
Come on.
Knives.